In today's review, we're going to be looking at the Gravity Fitness Portable Pull-Up Rack 2.0. I have to be honest with you guys, I looked to buy one of these over summer, but because of lockdown in the UK, you could not get hold of them, or whatever was available was sold out instantly. So I've actually borrowed this off a mate of mine because I've been looking to get one in the garden. Now, the garden is a work in progress. However, something like this, I felt that I could use outside in the meantime to keep me going and also enjoy some of the weather. But the weather has taken a distinct turn. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do the and like, So it is an unboxing, however, it is not brand new, nor is it mine. In a previous review, I actually reviewed these, which are the Gravity Fitness medium parallettes. Now, these are something I bought. I use them pretty much every upper body session, and I really do rate those. If that is a review you are interested in, I'll put a card or a link below. Click through, let me know what you think. Now, one of the reasons it came in the box of a mate of mine is that it's meant to come with a carrying bag, but it didn't actually have one in the box, so he's messaged him just to basically chase that and see where it is. I'm sure they'll send one, but it is meant to come with a carrying bag, which isn't here, hence the box, hence the packaging. Try and keep it nice. So these are the instructions. Now, they're not the most clear instructions in the world, but hopefully this tutorial will help you out with assembling it.
Perfect.
One thing to be mindful of at this point is there's nothing really holding these upright. So if this was like in your front room or something, make sure that one of these doesn't go through your glass window or something like that. So that's just something I've found as I've been putting this together. There's nothing holding these upright.
Perfect.
$1,001, $1,002, $1,003. Oh, didn't see you there. That is the end of this review. I've shown you a few exercises that you guys can be doing on this piece of equipment. By no means is that extensive. They are far more exercises. Maybe you've got one of these, maybe you want to let me know what you work out on. To be honest, for me, it was just a bit of an exploration, find out what I could get away with, what I could do with it. So some of the positives, I do enjoy it as a piece of kit. I'm very fortunate that I've got plenty of stuff in the garage that I can be hanging off and doing pulls and push work. However, I would have killed for one of these in the summer. It would have been fantastic just to have in the garden, just to get the basics done, pulls, a bit of push work. I think I will sort of keep my eye out for the future. Once you know what you're doing, very easy to assemble. It doesn't take up loads of space, so if you're in a flat or somewhere especially that you can't drill into the walls, maybe they're not your walls, maybe you're renting, this is a really functional bit of kit that you can have. You can move into different rooms, you can change the angle, really get your meat and potatoes workouts done. This would be ideal. Cons, I'd say a little bit wobbly. I wouldn't want to do any sort of kipping work. Not that I do any kipping work, a lot of my stuff is very strict. I would recommend getting a set of rings as well. I find that I prefer ring work, but a lot of it depends what you want to do and what your training looks like, whether you want to just get a set of parallettes instead. But other than that, you can see he's put some tape on there as well, just to stop any sort of slipping. That's helpful for him to get a good grip, but you go into that knowing that it is a bit smooth and it is a little bit wobbly, so these things aren't unexpected. It all depends what you want to achieve. But as a piece of kit, I think it's fantastic. There are competitors out there. Pull Up Mate is the one everyone's heard of. I think Bulldog Gear do one as well now, which is fairly new to their lineup. Very accessible piece of kit. It's about £100 in the UK, so I will link them below. That is an affiliate link, so I do get a very, very small kickback on that. But for sake of use, having to go and search for it, then it helps us both out. It won't cost you guys any more. Hope you guys have enjoyed that. Plenty more reviews coming on this channel, as well as more fitness and more holistic elements such as cold exposure. So if you've enjoyed this, please feel free to give this a like. It really helps my channel and see what resonates with you guys. I have got more adventures planned coming in the future, so please feel free to subscribe and let me know in the comments what you guys want to see in the future. Thank you for watching.